And next, coming to the chapter introduction to probability, we are going to see about the probabilities. You have seen in the previous classes about the probability. It is simple that a gambling, like the gambling games, for example throwing the dice and coins, like that. Okay, we are going to see some of next task about in the probabilities. That is main thing. The formula about it is the probability, that is P of E is an element or event occurred, that is number of trials in which the event happened, to the total number of trials, that is the probability. In the future, we are going to find the fraction of the sum of the events occurred, that is the probabilities. That is P of E, that is probability of the event. Probability, that is the fraction of the event occurred. That is, this formula carries throughout the that is the finding of the probabilities in the fraction to the event happened. That is number of trials in which the event happened, total number of trials for which the event have been, that is number of times you have throwing the dice, heading coins, like that, to the total number of trials. Let us see one of the example. A coin tossed 10 times, head occurred 3 times and the tail occurred 7 times. That is, you are tossing the coin for the 10 times. In the 10 times, the head occurs 3 times and the tail comes the 7 times. Total of 10 times, head comes 3 and the tail comes the 7. For this, we are going to find the probability of, okay, that is P means probability, then head occurs, probability of the head occurs. Probability of the head equal to number of trials in which the event happened, that is total of 3 times. P of head equal to 3, so it begin at 3 divided by total number of trials, that is 10 times, so 3 by 10. That is total number of trials, total number of head occurs to the total number of trials, that is 10. So probability of same like a probability of tail equal to number of trial in which the event happened, that is 7 times. So it begin a 7 to the 7 to divide by total number of trials, that is 10 times. So it begin a 10, 7 by 10. This is the probability of the head is 3 by 10, then probability of tail is 7 by 10. This next example. In exam, Ram do 26 questions correct out of 50 questions. What is the probability of question? That is, Ram answered 26 questions correct from the 50 questions. We are going to find the probability, that is the fraction of the correct question. That is probability of the correct question equal to number of correct questions, that is the number of correct questions Ram have answered to the total number of questions. That is the, in this problem you can see that number of correct questions is 26 to the total number of questions, that is the total number of trials, that is the total number of questions, that is the 50. So probability of the correct question equal to number of correct questions, that is 26, to the total number of questions, that is 50, total number of trials, that is 50. That is 26 to divide by 50. 26 divided by 50, total number of questions, that is 50. So 26 divided by 50, This is the probability of the correct question. That is the number of correct questions Rama have answered, that is 26. Then the total number of questions, that is 50. That is 26 divided by 50. By cancelling to the this 13 divided by 25. So probability of the correct question Rama have answered is 13 divided by 25. And then the numerator to the denominator, 13 by 25. This is the correct question that Rama have answered for the same probability. This is the probability of the correct question that the Rama have answered. Next, coming to the next question. In a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. In a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary of 6 times from the 30 balls. You are going to find the probability that she did not hit a boundary from the total balls. So boundary hits by the cricket in the cricket match, that is 6. Then from the balls played, total balls played by her is 30. So boundary hits is 6, then balls played is 30. Not hit a boundary, that is that she have not hit a boundary from the total of 30 balls, that is 30. Total number of balls 30 to the boundary hits, that is 30 minus 6. It is a total of 24. The 30 minus 6, that is 24. It is a total ones. Then the probability not hit boundary, probability of not hit boundary in the cricket match, that is coming to the formula. Not hit a boundary to the total balls played, that is in a number of balls not hit a boundary to upon the total number of balls that she have played. That is a probability of not hit boundary, that is number of balls that not hit a boundary, that is 24. There is a 24 divided by total number of balls she have hit and played, that is a balls played 30. So 24 divided by 30 by dividing using a fraction of 6, it is 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5 is a probability of the given problem.